This 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 379 FLOK luxurious like new fifth wheel 6 slides is a fifth wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, skylight, awning, LP detector, Slideout, auxiliary battery, oven, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 379 FLOK luxurious like new fifth wheel 6 slides is 13,069 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.